We're on.
Terribly sorry. And now, for something...
No. That is copywritten.
What?
That is copywritten. You cannot use that phrase without express written consent by those who have copyrighted it.
It's just a phrase.
No. It does not matter. It is intellectual property and thus has been copywritten. So, without express written permission...
But it's a spoof, a satire. We're doing a tribute to Mighty P.
No, stop. You may not use that name without the written express permission by those whose name you're not allowed to mention.
Well, that's stupid.
No, that is incorrect. It's simply a copyright law originally put forth by King Charles II with the Licensing Act of 1661.
62.
What?
62. The Licensing Act of 1662.
Nonsense! I have it in good authority that...
Oh, shut up!
Alright, director, frame up. Am I centered? Good. Now, on with the show.